Harvest here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your DoorDash app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, search bar, DoorDash, check if you have the newest version of the app. After checking the version, if you have the newest version, everything should be cool, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you 2 more ways how to fix it. So, go up to settings first, apps, see all the apps, finder, DoorDash, go up to the permissions, not allowed, just maybe go and allow. Here, allow, 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 and everything rest of this also allow. After this, go to mobile data and Wi-Fi, unrestricted data usage on. After this, everything should be cool. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way is go back to the Play Store, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, everything should be alright. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.